What's up, YouTube? My name is David Archuleta, and I will be bringing you guys along for the rest of my apprenticeship. I'll be trying to get as much video as I can here on commercial sites. So if you like these videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Please enjoy the video. Alright, so I just needed to go out of the room and grab some dunnage. We're going to go ahead and take that piece of pipe I just took out. We're going to go ahead and recut it. So we're going to go ahead and set it on these little pieces of wood that I'm cutting up. We're going to go ahead and cut it to size.
Not my work. Always fix your letter and just tighten it on one side and then go to the other side. I want to make sure that this is 4 5/8. Man, it's in this way, right? You want to keep them all. What are we working on today, family?
My legs are fresh out of water.
Motherfucker, I need you busy. Oh man, no fucking material on this side. Upside down. All right,
Alright, so at this point, I'm out of a cast iron 90. I'm leaving the room to go get that. I don't have the material to complete that whole system, so you guys will see a partially built system today.
Is this some fucking material? I bet you it's the wrong one, huh?
Yeah.
Is it really?
So I joked with them, but everyone is running out of material on this site. It's kind of bad news, but continue.
Hi, Dennis! It's me, Dave! We got Kyoki. You can tell she's not working, how she's bundled up.
Is that companies?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, I'm documenting for them. So motherfuckers like you need to get busy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, and now we will head back to throw that last little 90 on to see if we can complete this.
That's 60 pounds, motherfucker. baby.
Alright, so even though the overhead is complete, you see me chopping this to try to put a clean out on, but you will see as I go to ask one of my guys here, we are out of clean outs.
Find a 3-inch cleanout.
We are out of 3-inch PVC cleanouts. We are out of 4-inch 90s, 4-inch pipe, 4-inch riser clamps.
Alright, so even though we are running low on material to complete some of these things, we're going to go ahead and move to this. Since the overhead on the other one is complete, this one actually needs to be turned around and going to the left. So that is something I will be taking care of when I get back from lunch. But as of right now, I am going to lunch, so enjoy the little shenanigans here.
Let me see your eyes. Take those dark ass sunglasses off. Look, there goes Kikanisha in the distance. My boy Kikanisha.
Should I go to 7-Eleven?
Yeah, let's roll. Kikanisha's with. Lunch is over, fam. I need you busy.
Okay, so I'm going to begin the layout process here. Basically just setting up my hangers. It's going to be a simple 45 down to the stack, and you guys will be able to see that layout as well.
Our layout.
And that's that, y'all.
What did Jesus tell the Union before he died?
What?
Don't do anything until I get back.
Hasta mañana. Jesus, stop speaking of you guys so lowly.
Fuck that video. Nice GoPro, where you get it? Hey, Jerry, watch out! Take that shit off your fucking head, Tartar. Taking you back to your days in Mississippi. Tartar. Your ass! Your ass! Loser!
It was good, David. Oh my gosh, please finish signing out. At 3 o'clock, I want to be anywhere but here. There you go, fam.